This is like the best night I've had in a while.
Welcome to life as a quado.
Open your mind!
Like, this whole time, I thought my brother was an anchor holding me back, but he's like a key to something I never even imagined. What's wrong?
I'm sorry.
Wait, I'm sorry like you have a girlfriend, or I'm sorry like something much worse?
Oh, him steady, too! Open your mind! Open your mind!
Where? Morty? Shit. What was the activation phrase? Ponytail assemble! Go, lockpicking ponytail! I don't give my grandpa enough credit!
The oven's mostly for bodies, but I make pizzas in here too.
Arrivederci, bitch. Sorry, no time to save you more than I just did. Gotta find my brother!